All right, our last lesson. Yay, volumes of spheres. Okay, so volume of a sphere. We only need to know one measurement, just like surface area. So surface area of the sphere was 4 pi r squared. Volume of a sphere is going to be 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. Okay, so we have our first example. We have the radius is 5. 4 pi times 5 cubed divided by 3. If I were writing this in exact form, it would be 500 pi over 3. And then if we want to write that as a decimal, it'll be 523. Okay, so it comes out to 0.599. So I'll say 60 or 6 cubic feet. For B, I see they show us the diameter, so the radius is 4. So I have 4 pi times 4 cubed divided by 3. So that would be 256 pi over 3. That would be our exact form. And then as a decimal, we get 268.083, and that'll be cubic centimeters. Find the volume of a sphere with circumference of a great circle, 36 centimeters. Okay, so circumference of the great circle. Remember, the great circle is this circle that has the center of the sphere is the center of the circle. So if circumference is 2 pi r, and that circumference is 36, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 pi. And when I take 36 and divide by 2 pi, I get 5.73. And so that's the radius I'm going to use for the volume of the sphere. So I'll have 4 pi times 5.73 cubed all over 3. So 4.573 to the third power times 4 times pi, and then we want to divide by 3, so I get 788.05 cubic centimeters. And just a quick note, we may have talked about this in class, I don't remember. You have this caret symbol that's right next to the button that has the x squared. And just keep in mind that's for power, so if you just type that, and then you can put a 3 for cubing numbers. All right, last example, we have a hemisphere. Now, hemisphere is our half of a sphere, and with volume, so volume of a sphere is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. And if it's a hemisphere, we're basically just taking half of that. So if I take half of that, notice 2 will go into 4 2 times. So I get 2 pi r cubed over 3. This will be the volume for any hemisphere. So in this case, our radius is 2. So 2 pi times 2 cubed over 3. So take that, that'll be 16 pi over 3. That would be our exact form. And then our approximate, since just in case we want the approximate answer, that'll be 16.76, and that'll be cubic feet. And that's it, guys. We are done with Geometry Honors Curriculum. Congratulations.